So, as guys, we are going to start a kind of conversation in English. Whenever students they say, "Sir, we are made to sit together," but we don't understand what to be discussed and how to start any conversation. What the way you can practice together, two students, more than two or three, as many students are there, they can have basic conversation in English. They sit together first of all, then they can go for asking some questions. So I would like to show you how we can ask questions in English. So let's get started. So would you please tell me something about you?
Sir, myself, Tushar Shukla.
Hmm.
I hail from Shastipuram in Indraprasth colony, and I have completed my 10th in Hillman Public School, 12th in Lucknow University. Now I am pursuing in BCom.
Fine. Are you from basically not Agra? It means
No, sir.
then
We are only living in Agra. We are basically from Lucknow.
if you compare Lucknow and Agra, so people you must have met. Who do you prefer more? Like people of Agra, they are better, or people of Lucknow, they are better?
Sir, people of Lucknow, they are very better according to Agra people.
Why?
Because in Agra, every people look ourselves firstly,
Mm-hmm.
not other. But in Lucknow, we thought everyone a poor people.
You were born and brought up in Agra or Lucknow?
Sir, I am born in Delhi.
Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Then you shifted to Lucknow.
No, sir. My father's village is in Lucknow.
Mm-hmm.
My father live in Delhi. Then he shifted in Agra.
Fine. So what? Sir, you studied over there
Yes, sir.
in Lucknow. Fine. If I want to ask about your school life, do you have any memorable incidents in the school life, or where did you complete your schooling from? Do you have some friends? Talk about some of those incidents in school time. Who used to be your
Sir,
best teacher? Who used to be your best friend? Incidents which you still remember.
Sarab, best teacher is like Hillman Public School's director.
Mm-hmm.
He always supported us because he says I'm also a backbencher in
Mm-hmm.
their school life,
Mm-hmm.
and me and my friends are also in backbencher in their schools
So
because they support
we
us.
need to focus one thing as we are talking about past. So in past we must use used to or was were. As you said, my principal said, I am also backbencher. Instead of saying this, I used to be backbencher, or we all friends were backbenchers, or we used to be backbenchers. You can see like that.
Okay,
Mm,
sir.
mm. If I ask about what are you doing these days and what is your plan future?
But I'm doing uh, just like our own business. We are running an constructions,
Mm,
and my father get a contract in stitching,
stitching.
and I am handling that.
So where is your company or your factory is located?
In sir Madhya Katra, you know the name Shyamlal Vaikundlal showroom,
Mm-hmm. I
just
have heard two
nearby.
Shyamlal Baikundnath. One is Kamla Nagar,
Yes, sir.
another is in Madhya Katra.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So they are having two franchises.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what kind of material or what kind of products are made in your factory?
Sir, just like cotton and printed textiles,
Mm-hmm.
jean and hosiery.
But such kind of clothes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the specific items are made? It for men's, women, or for everyone?
It's specific from men and kids,
Mm.
but now we are starting in ladies items.
Mm-hmm. Because if you go for ladies, then ladies are maximum in country,
Yes, sir.
so that will be better basis. It will be blooming more. Um,
We have more profit in girls' products, sir.
Girl product definitely. You can see in market also whenever we go to market to buy something, girls products are expensive than boys.
Yes, sir.
If a girl is around 10 or 5 years old, the cloth costing can be 800 to 2000. Similarly, a boy, he will be costing
500 to
500 to
300.
300 hardly,
Yes, sir.
and we can easily manage, but it is fine. Now, in your as you are going to plan business, who
Yes, sir.
who do you idealize in this business industry, or who do you think the person has done immense for
Sir,
you?
my father analyzed me and he always supported me.
Mm-hmm.
This is one incident I my friends was beating in my factory
Mm.
was came beat my factory
Mm.
when my father said you please focus in our factory
Mm.
and learn something in this because your future is not other
Okay,
side.
you must have scuffled with someone else. Like you must have fought with someone. Then he came in factory to beat
Yes,
you.
sir.
To beat you or what?
So sir, they thought I'm working in this factory.
Okay, so that's where they came.
That's why they came.
And they must have been beaten down by the labor.
Yes, sir. When my father called, when my labor and I calls father ki some persons, some people are beat them to
Uh,
shard.
they have come to beat him.
Yes, sir. When my father and I called every in our 4 to 5 branches,
Hmm.
the
All the labor.
all the labor maximum 200 to 300 persons are come there in Gulab Nagar.
Uh-huh.
We मतलब घेर लिया उसको क्या
We
कहते
surrounded them.
हैं? We surrounded them.
Hmm. Those boys.
Yes, sir.
They were from Gulab Nagar.
They were from Kalindi Vihar, sir.
Fine.
In shipbuilding materials colleges after.
So you all went there. Then did you beat him like all people?
We beat them, but my father stopped us, and my father go to their home and
Made them understand.
made them understand.
Only they did not fight. And we don't want to fight and all the
My
things.
father said, "He is not a common.
Hmm. Ah,
He is my child, and
remember
if
this
you
next time. Hmm.
remember this next time, and you are doing anything other next time,
Hmm.
we not survive you."
We will not let you survive here.
Yes, sir.
Definitely, because you have got power. You around 2 to 300 people were there.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I was asking one more question, but I forgot. The question is about: do you believe in love?
No, sir. I am not believing in love.
Why so? Have you ever had any breakup or have you ever had any kind of relationship which is toxic?
No, sir.
Then,
Because in childhood we are only making only money.
hmm, I'm talking about have you got girlfriend?
No, sir.
Why don't you have? You look good, money, everything you have, good looking
Because
also.
sir कभी मतलब बनाए ही नहीं.
I have never even
I
thought
have
about this.
never even thought about this
Hmm. So, is it
because I am
you
fearing
are
to my
just telling a
father.
lie or just it is reality?
Sir, it is reality because my father is very strict and me and my friends.
Everyone's father is strict about this particular issue,
No, sir.
but people are not mending their ways. They are doing their ways whatever they want to do.
No, sir. But my father is very strict and we all fears.
We get
Fear
afraid of
him.
him. We are scared of him because of this thing. Chalo, fine. If I talk about future, like where do you see yourself coming couple of years, next year? What do you think? What kind of improvement you want to see in yourself?
Sir, in future, I'm starting my own business, not my father's, and I expand it to in national level.
So this is the reason you want to learn English also.
Yes, sir.
So why English?
Because in my
Why
business,
why English is important for you? Just tell us, and then we
because
are going
sir,
to end this.
English is very important too in my life because we if I expand my business in national level,
Mm.
in India, they many people talk in different languages,
Hmm.
but English is a common language. That's why
India has more than 27 or states. Every state we have different languages. So for commonly patching up with them, even in India, you need to spread your business. Then you need to speak English. South India people they don't know how to speak Hindi better way, so they understand English better way. So just you need to communicate with them. It is English really common thing. So guys, whenever you are two people or more than two students, then they can talk each other in English such way. If anybody else interested sitting with me talking like that, please most welcome. And thanks for watching this and share with your friends this kind of conversation in English.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Band kar do.